Hello students, welcome to Saurabh's classes. Today we will be solving the ISI MSQB question paper of year 2018. Today we will be solving question number 4 from the paper. So let's begin. In question number 4, we need to find out the domain of the function f of x is equal to root over twice x minus 1 upon x plus 3. So this is the function that has been defined, and we need to find out the domain of the function. The options are minus 3 to 1 by 2, minus infinity to minus 3 union 1 by 2 to infinity, minus infinity to minus 3 union minus 3 to infinity, and D is minus infinity to minus 3 union minus 3 to half union half to infinity. So these are the four options for the domain of f of x. So for domain, what we'll do, we have been given that f of x is equal to twice x minus 1 upon x plus 3. So this is the function fx. So for domain, the first condition is that anything inside a square root is always greater than equal to 0. So we have to mention that twice x minus 1 upon x plus 3 is always greater than equal to 0. The second condition is that the denominator is not equal to 0. That is, root over x plus 3 is not equal to 0. So this implies that x plus 3 is not equal to 0, and this implies that x is not equal to minus of 3. This is the result of the second condition. Now if we need to solve this part, so what we'll do, we'll take twice x minus 1, we'll multiply x plus 3 both in the numerator and the denominator. It's greater than equal to 0, which is a square. Now we know that since x is not equal to minus 3, so this part is never equal to 0. So we can safely take x plus 3 whole square onto the right side. So this will come as twice x minus 1 into x plus 3 is greater than equal to 0. If we take 2 outside, then it will be x plus 3 into x minus 1 by 2 is greater than equal to 0. So this implies that x will lie in the interval minus 3 half plus minus plus, but x is not equal to minus 3. So the domain will be x belongs to minus infinity to minus 3 open interval union 1 by 2 closed to infinity open interval. As you can see, this is the option B. This is the option B. So the option B is the correct option. So we have solved question number 4 from the ISI MSQB question paper of year 2018. We'll be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Saurabh's classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.